Hey guys, it's Laura from the ClickFix team, and in today's video I want to show you how to use one of our shortcodes to validate a IBAN number. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. So first of all, I want to show you how the shortcode works. So if you go to the header code, this is the format of the shortcode. It starts with validate, and then it has the field ID. If you want to figure out what their field ID is, you can go to your publish page and use the ClickFix Chrome extension to highlight the field ID. So you just copy this number and you paste it after the hashtag, and then you type IBAN, and then you type the message that you want to display if the user doesn't type a valid IBAN number. So that's basically it. If you publish the page, we can refresh this to show you how it works. So if I type a random number and I click on submit, it's going to tell me that I need to enter a valid IBAN. But if you go to the documentation of the ClickFix shortcodes, you can copy this valid IBAN number to check that it works. So this is a valid IBAN number, and if I submit, then it continues the process. So I hope that this is helpful, and if you think that you need any other value that's not an IBAN number, feel free to contact us so we can work on it. Thank you so much for watching.